my lovelies, this is Ahhhsoneo of Ahhhsoneo, and I have a video today where I am going to be showing you guys an update on my Gucci Marmont wallet on a chain, how it has been faring ever since I bought it. So if you'd be interested in seeing how this leather holds up after constant use, then this is for you. So hey guys, I know not so long ago I did a little video and I called it as Gucci Still Cancelled because I had an unboxing, but you know, Gucci was running amok and acting a fool, so Gucci was cancelled, but apparently Gucci made it back because they pulled that shit. Because they pulled those things. Good for you, Gucci. But before we jump into the video, my name is Neo. This is my channel, Ahhhsoneo. I'm all about a luxury mindset, which at the time being seems to manage itself in some shopping. But hey, that's okay. I like handbags. I like shoes. I'm also very, very much into makeup. And I like to discuss all of that here in this channel. If that kind of stuff sounds interesting to you, then hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification button, let me know what you think. Definitely leave a comment below. I love the conversations. I try to respond to every single comment, and I just love you guys. One thing, dealing with a luxury mindset, that is the best piece of advice I can give to anyone ever in this world, is choose happiness. It's literally up to you how you feel. Don't let your hormones, your pituitary gland, you know, people around you, circumstances around you, don't let that decide how you feel. You choose happiness, and then all that other stuff won't matter. So, little golden nugget from me. Let's move on, guys. So, I bought this Gucci Marmont, so it's a really nice soft leather wallet on a chain, crossbody clutch type thing. I got it at a really good deal. My girlfriend was in Hawaii and it was like 25% off. So I believe this retails in the US for $8.90 plus taxes. I picked it up for like $703 including taxes. So it was a steal. I was like, yes, on it. After I got it, I pretty much wore it every day as a crossbody for about a month, and then I put it away again. Other than this bag, the only other crossbody bag, well, I did pick up a couple Coach Cassies, but I do have a Chanel wallet on a chain crossbody bag. I only like crossbody bags when they're this tiny. When they get bigger, then it just becomes too much for me. So I know I always say on this channel that I don't like crossbody bags, and I'm gonna take it back and say if it's a small thing like this, then yeah, I'll wear it. But anything bigger than this, then yeah, I don't like crossbody bags. But anyway, so my Chanel wallet on a chain is my most used handbag this year. And for a month, this was really close to being my most used handbag. You know what it's like when you get the new thing and it's all like shiny and new and you're like, ooh, it goes with everything. I want to wear it all the time. That was me. So I wanted to do a little wear and tear, a little showing how it's holding up. After the initial like excitement wore off, I've done better. I haven't worn it all the time. But I just wanted to show you guys how it's held up because I've been pretty impressed. Now this leather is not as soft as a Chanel lambskin. I had a Chanel mini flap. I actually recently just sold that because it was a crossbody bag, but you know, it's like this big. This wide, and it just got in the way, so I did recently sell that. Plus I felt like the leather was just a little too soft. I have another Chanel purse. My very first Chanel purse was lambskin, and woo mama, that bag got tore up because I didn't know any better. Basically, I didn't know how fragile lambskin was, and I did that wear it all day every day type of thing. And you know, I kind of learned my lesson. Now when it comes to leather, I know where I fall, you know. Chanel calfskin or caviar leather. I like the Prada Saffiano leather. I like Coach leathers, and I actually like the Gucci Marmont leather. And I'll stop going on about other bags and kind of go into this one now. So I'll give you guys a good view. This is the back. It's got the double G sewn into the quilting. plus that chevron kind of quilting, and then the gold here, the bronze I should say. It's got a great long strap. It's heavier than the strap on like a Coach Parker, which I believe is hollowed out. It's thinner, but it feels a little weightier than the strap on the Coach Parker bag, which is a similar like bronze, what is this, bronze material? I don't know what that is. And I think the leather has held up really well. There's some minor wrinkling that I feel like it came with that kind of wrinkling, so that hasn't really bothered me. But it's held up well to scratches. It's a crossbody bag, so it does hit me on the hip when I'm wearing jeans and so on. But you can't tell. There's no color transfer, and I have worn this with black jeans because, again, I don't know any better. I don't baby anything. If I get a purse and I like it, well, not lie. There's 2 purses that I baby, and it's not one of these. So other than that, I think for daily use, the outside looks fantastic. One of the things I like the most is that the GG here, not a scratch. Now this has really surprised me. I mean, it is crystal clear. Nothing's happened to it. That has really surprised me. The zip continues to be really nice and smooth, just straight up and down, which I love. So that's fantastic, like that. There's that hook there. I do wish this strap was removable because I would like to carry it as a handheld clutch every once in a while, but you know, a girl can't get too greedy. The inside is impeccable, guys. It's stayed exactly the same. I mean, there's a little pen mark here and there because it's mine. But otherwise, it stayed in really good condition. I've left some of the Gucci paperwork in there. I always leave that kind of stuff in my purses. The back pocket here, clean, looks the same. That zip, if I can get to it, perfect, no worries there. I have to admit, I don't typically use these inner pockets here. But they don't look stretched or anything, and all in all, I think for a purse that got daily use for quite some time, and then it's had inconsistent use, but in the last, I picked it up over the summer. In the last 3 to 4 months I've had this, I think it looks, for me, I think it looks brand new. I'm actually planning on carrying it out later tonight when I go out to an event with my girlfriends, and I'm super happy with it. So yeah, I do really recommend picking up this purse. It's a great little purse, and I know Gucci has sales like twice a year, so if you can pick one up, I would definitely recommend that. I'm very happy I didn't pay full price for it because, you know, Gucci's canceled or uncanceled now, who knows. But yeah, so that's it. That's my wear and tear on the Gucci Marmont clutch. And I'm actually going to do a comparison video on this and the Ahhhsoneo WOC. Let me know what you guys think. So thanks guys for coming back. I hope you've had a wonderful week. If you're on the fence about this purse, I would say pick it up. Just pick it up. It's actually quite a great little nifty purse. So thanks for coming by. My name is Neo. This is my channel, Ahhhsoneo, and I just want to say you guys are the best. Thanks for the support that I received over the last couple weeks when my personal life was challenging. But through it all, me and my family, we chose happiness, we chose good memories, and we focused on what was important. And yeah, thanks guys for the support. I really appreciated it. So subscribe, hit the notification button, and do it now.